In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your controller not working on Fortnite PC here in Chapter 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But say you have your controller connected and you can see, all the buttons being detected. And even if the game isn't recognizing your controller in the menus or in game, here's what you're going to want to do to fix it. First things first, go ahead and go over to your settings panel by selecting your profile picture and go into this little settings gear just like so. Cycle through all these settings until you get to this mouse and keyboard section right here and scroll down and look for two options. You're going to want to find the one that says ignore controller input. Go ahead and turn this off and then also change the lock input method as mouse to off as well. Both of these do have to be turned off. If either one is enabled, Fortnite's going to ignore your controller completely. And make sure that you are also using a USB-C cable or a wired connection for your controller. Bluetooth can work, but in most cases, it's going to cause noticeable delay and sometimes even detection issues, so it's not worth it in my opinion. Wired is always going to be the most reliable option. But once those two settings are disabled and your controller is wired in, you should see that Fortnite recognizes it instantly and you'll be able to use it normally in game. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.